Breaking news coming in where a massive earthquake has hit Sumatra and Indonesia has issued a tsunami warning after a powerful quake has hit off Aceh province. In fact, the Indonesian officials are saying the earthquake is with a preliminary magnitude of 8.9, which has hit off Aceh. In fact, the tremors have also been felt in Kolkata. The mild tremors, they were felt twice, and also in Chennai. This is big news coming in. Let's go across to Rishabh Gulati, who's getting us all the details. Rishabh, this is big news coming in. Earthquake of magnitude of 8.9 hitting Sumatra.
Right, Shruti. In fact, the latest updates that we are getting from the United States Geological Survey is that they've toned the earthquake down to a magnitude of 8.7. A tsunami warning has been issued in Malaysia and in Indonesia. An immediate automatic response. Now here is the USGS website. Have a look. This big red spot is the massive earthquake that's been reported in the past one hour. This, of course, is where the north of Sumatra in Indonesia, where the earthquake has been reported. Remember, it was in Banda Aceh where the previous earthquake had been reported a few years ago. That was more than 9 on the Richter scale, and we had seen thousands of people who had died, and a tsunami that went almost right across the world, even hitting in India. We are getting fresh reports that these tremors, if this is northern Sumatra, tremors felt in Chennai and as far across the Bay of Bengal as in Kolkata. So right across the east coast of India, these tremors have been felt all the way across to Kolkata. Have a look at what the USGS website is actually saying on this earthquake. We can get you some details from the USGS website. And basically they're saying the earthquake took place at about 38 minutes past 8 o'clock in the morning, which is the specific standard time, which is about 2:30 in the afternoon local time in Indonesia. It happened about 33 kilometers under the ground, and it's going to affect again Banda Aceh, Sumatra and Indonesia. Kuala Lumpur again affected. This is again, let's go back to the map of the areas affected. The earthquake has happened on the opposite side of the Bay of Bengal for people living in India. It's happened very near again Banda Aceh, which is on the northernmost tip of Sumatra over here, right over here. Have a look, and the tremors have been felt right across the coast of East India. We're getting reports from our correspondents coming in from Chennai and all the way from Kolkata. So tremors, mild tremors have been felt. No reports of damage in India, but we can expect major damage at an 8.9 earthquake, which is roughly near the surface, about 33 kilometers underground. That's what the USGS website is reporting. These are the developments that have been coming in. This is the north of Sumatra, Banda Aceh over here, where the earthquake has struck. It's happened about 400 kilometers off the coast, so it's happened in the sea. Hence the tsunami warning has been issued. Remember, in the case of the earthquake in Banda Aceh, the earthquake moved the crust of the earth almost 30 meters up. That created a massive tsunami wave that traveled right across the Bay of Bengal and into the Indian Ocean, even hitting the coast of Africa. We all know what happened in this case. So far, no warning reports coming in from India. This is still to get information from Indonesia. The big issue, of course, will be that right in the path of the earthquake will be the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Immediate warning will have to be issued at the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We're going to get across some phone reactions from the administration in Andaman, hopefully. We're going to inform you on what impact the earthquake has felt in Andaman, which is nearest to the epicenter, which is Indian soil nearest to the epicenter. But these are the reports coming in. Let me update you what the USGS is saying. The earthquake took place 431 kilometers from Banda Aceh, about 900 kilometers from the capital of Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. That's on the opposite side of the Bay of Bengal. For those in India, tremors have been reported, confirmed from our correspondents in Chennai as well as in Kolkata and right across the east coast of India. Here in Delhi, where we are reporting from, we did not feel any tremors, but from right across the east coast of India, tremors have been reported, but so far no information of damage. This on the USGS website, you can see the major mark over here. That red spot is where that earthquake has been reported. Right here, this is where the earthquake has been reported. You're seeing on the bottom edge, on the bottom right of the Bay of Bengal. In fact,